Very day you were born, your last young bold and would die. Doctor said you had a hole in your heart. Just knew you were making room for a whole lot of heart. And loved you from the day until your soul would depart. You took your first breath upon my chest, built you a good nest before I left. Wasn't that I never loved your mother, but two happy homes are better than one that suffered. Every regret in this life that I'm